Hi, I'm Mike
And I'm Molly,
with Virtuosa Builders here in San Antonio, Texas, and welcome to another edition of
behind
Behind
the
the Drywall.
drywall. So today we are going to show you a project that we're getting started next week, and it's a whole outdoor expansion. And a lot of people ask us to see the project before we start ripping things up and tearing things apart. So Mike is going to give you a tour of what we're going to do. It's an outdoor expansion, and it's really, really, really neat. We're very excited about this. We've been planning it for a few months now, so take a look.
So this is basically our transition area right here. So this is all artificial turf. We're going to cover it up throughout the project, protect it to make sure that it doesn't get too damaged from all the weight that's going to be eventually going on it. And the area that we're going to be working on is actually this spot right here. So we are going to completely cover this whole area. It sounds simple, but there's quite a lot involved in order to do that. The first thing we're going to do is rip out this existing rock wall. We're going to actually pour a slab to make this more one level. We're going to get rid of those gates or the iron right there, so you'll have a slab coming all the way out to about where I'm standing right here. And we have to reframe this entire roof system in order to put a roof on it. So it sounds pretty easy, but there's quite a lot involved in doing that. Part of this also, we're going to have some integrated ceiling heaters, lighting, fans. We're going to have steps that come down with this integrated LED lighting on all the steps. Also over here, part of what we're doing is we're getting rid of this outdoor kitchen, and we're going to be building a new outdoor kitchen with new appliances. And then as well, some other little decorative stuff. We're going to have a really cool iron bar right in this area. From this column to this column will be an iron bar where you can sit down. It'll have LED lighting in it as well. And then, of course, we're going to have other fans throughout. We're also going to install a beverage center right here. So you'll have a couple of beverage coolers. So basically expanding this whole bar area for this specific section. We're also going to dress up the ceiling and put in a tongue and groove ceiling that'll be stained rather than painted. And that's going to continue throughout the new addition. So it's hard to tell, but there's a whole bunch of stuff going on. It'll be really nice, be outdoor, protected from the sun. You'll have heater in the winter. We'll have a TV mounted on the wall, and we'll have plenty of fans in the summer to cool you down. So this is the blank canvas, and then we're going to completely create a whole new environment around it. Then we're also going to actually have some planters on either side here to kind of finish it out. And we're going to take we're going to have the same tile, but we're going to take a thicker tile, what we call coping. And on that, we're actually going to cut a groove on the underneath side of the coping to put our LED lights so that you have lights on the steps going all the way down. These fans we're actually going to take out and give to one of the neighbors. And basically we're making this whole area, this entire thing is going to be completely covered and be an outdoor environment. So you're basically creating an addition of the inside, but it's going to be outside. So it's really kind of taking everything inside, moving it out, so you have a nice, huge entertainment area. And then, of course, everything will be protected throughout the project. And then once we're done, we're actually going to seal all the tile so that it is protected from the weather. And this is a travertine, so it's fairly common down in this area. So it'll be fairly easy to match, which you've already found matches for. And then, of course, that way when you come down off the steps, you're about 3 or 4 feet from the pool, which is you have your sunbathing area. It's really kind of tying it all together, but you can enjoy the outside, enjoy the pool, and not stand in the South Texas heat all summer long. So that's what's going on here.
Thank you so much for taking this tour with us, and I hope you enjoyed everything Mike showed you. So pay attention. If you want to follow along, then we've got this series. I'm sure we'll be out here for a few months.
Oh yeah.
And we'll put all of our videos on YouTube after we put them on all of our other social media, so you can see everything
Progress.
as it progresses.
Yep. Thanks for joining us, and hopefully you learned something.
Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.